Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we search about get nestware. So firstly we go on Google and search about get nestware. When we go on Google and we write get nest aware in Florida, nest aware in Florida, Florida, Florida. When we search about gas nestware in Florida, we saw many types of website named as www.abstractmentioning.net and then homesecurity.system.net and then www.homesecurity.bits.com and then Google Store and we go on www.apistrong.com. We clicked on this website and saw this type of interface like this very beautiful interface. When website complete load, we search read about a description of this website. API Strong Nest Cam Kit. National AC application are now closed. Asian American and Pacific Island small business owners have been hit hard during the pandemic with business losses and increase in discrimination. National ACE is proud to be announced its partnership with Google Nest to provide API-owned small business in key cities with API Strong Nest Camp kits. The kits are complimentary and designed to help support safer business environments in API owned small business through Nest security device and the Nestware subscription services. The complimentary kit includes Nest Cam Indoor 3 pack to 12 month of Nest Aware Pro installation of hardware. I signed up now. What? If you want to get a sign up, so you can visit you follow these steps. Firstly, fill out the form to receive a complimentary 12 month of Nest Aware. It's required to have your Google email account before you start. Visit home.nest.com website and sign in with Google to create your account and set up your home structure prior to installation. To set up and view your cameras, you all need to download the Google Home app. Sign in the Google Home app with the same account you used on home.nest.com and you should see the home you created previously. Visit the API Strong Nest Cam Kit page hosted by Google installation partner on Tech to order your kit and schedule your installation. Third point is at checkout, enter your unique promo code emailed through website. You must complete installation by 11:30 or the code will expire and you will not receive a camera kit. Please review the installation terms. Important points. So read description about important points. You cannot reschedule your appointment more than 3 times. Reschedule more than once a site or cancel the appointment more than 2 times. If you do any then if you do of the above, you will forfeit the storefront kit and will be dropped from the program. The next scams you received as a part of this program are for business purpose only and must be installed at the business location from your API Strong Nest Cam Kit application. If you want services from API Strong com, so visit this website and get a product and according to your need and if you want you visit any kind of website saw this type of interface, so you clicked on and learn about according to your need. I hope so you learn about get nest where in Florida, and thank you for watching our video. So we will be back in next video.